In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade micro E-mini futures on TradingView, equipping you with all the essential steps to get started with these popular trading instruments. Trading micro E-mini futures can be a great way to gain exposure to stock index futures without a large financial commitment, and I'm here to help guide you through the process. To begin, it's crucial to connect a compatible brokerage account to your TradingView platform since it doesn't execute trades directly. Instead, TradingView acts as a conduit, passing your orders to your broker. So make sure you have a brokerage account with a compatible service like TradingView, Interactive Brokers, or TradeStation. Once your account is linked, you should see a green connected icon in the trading panel, confirming everything is set up correctly. Now that your accounts are linked, let's find the contract you want to trade. Head over to the symbol search bar at the top of your TradingView chart. Enter the symbol for the micro contract you're interested in, such as MAS for the micro E-mini S&P 500, or MNQ for the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100. It's important to select the correct contract from the drop-down menu, especially ensuring the correct expiration date is chosen. This ensures that you are trading the contract that aligns with your strategy and market outlook. Let's move on to placing your trade. First, you'll want to open the order panel, which you can do by clicking the trade button or opening the trading panel. Here's where you can start personalizing your trade settings. Decide whether you want to buy or sell, depending on your market predictions. The next step is choosing your order type. A market order will execute immediately at the current price, whereas a limit order lets you specify an exact entry price, providing more control over your entry point. After deciding on the order type, go ahead and set the quantity, which is the number of contracts you intend to trade. Don't forget to set your take profit and stop loss levels. These are critical for risk management. Take profit to lock in gains when the market moves in your favor, and stop loss to minimize losses should the trade go against you. Finally, review all these details carefully before hitting that buy or sell button. Double checking ensures everything is just right before your order gets sent to your broker for execution. A few important considerations must be kept in mind. Firstly, ensure your account is sufficiently funded to meet the margin requirements for your chosen contract. Also, be aware that real-time futures data often requires an additional subscription from TradingView. Micro E-mini futures are specifically designed for smaller accounts, offering a smaller contract value and margin requirement compared to standard E-mini contracts, making them a potentially better fit if your account size is limited. By following these steps and taking these factors into account, you'll be well on your way to trading micro E-mini futures with confidence and precision.